Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to show weather on Android home screen. If you want to show weather on Android home screen just like this, so let's see how you can do this. First, you have to keep a long press on an empty place and then select widgets. In widgets, you have to go to calendar or weather. So look for that. Just look for the weather widget and here's that. Just tap on it and then select the widget you want to add on your home screen. As I'm going to add this one, so just tap on it and then it will be added onto your home screen. So that's how you can easily add show weather on Android home screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.